Built in 1951, this house has next to no information available about it. It was bought by a development firm in 2019 and will soon be demolished. Thankfully, we got to explore it and check out the original 1950s features before that happened. We're starting off in what looks like it would have been the living room of this house. Wood panels everywhere. It's the middle of the night. I'm dead tired. We've been going all day since 10 a.m. and I think it's like 12 o'clock, 1 a.m. somewhere in there. Been a long day, but we're gonna get at this last one and explore it. Let's get at it. There's a very big open room. Looks like this is a what? What? That's a sink that you can close off. I've never seen that in a house before. That is strange. Makes me wonder what's underneath. Well, apparently the sink had a leak. That is so strange. You see this? This cabinet is a sink.
What the heck? What the?
Is it?
What is built here, Ethan?
1951.
This is a 1951 build. So this is pretty old. Bathroom in here with a frosted window. Very strange. This is the front doorway. It's Carlo outside still. Oh, look at this. Look at how big this room is. I think it's a fireplace that wasn't in use. They've got the fake logs in there on display.
This is so cool.
These old curtains. A lot of windows in here.
This is look at the original 1951 owner's manual to the fridge.
No, but the fridge is in here.
The fridge is kind of that would have been cool.
It's a pretty tight kitchen.
Honestly.
Do you like the bench seating though? More of those retro curtains. That's a built-in desk. Oh, the old retro chime.
Look at this. It's got the old key lock, but it's been filled in.
That's pretty solid. Look at the doorknobs. All of them
That's the old
are the same. Very cool. It's just an empty closet.
We got here and here. Oh wow. This is actually pretty nice.
Another closet. Door swinging away on me. Another closet. The door doesn't want to close. Look at the black and white tile in here. Mirror's gone.
Alright, you guys like when I started the front door. So there it is.
This would have been a bedroom. Look at the floor. No light fixture. And there are spider webs everywhere. Got them all over my light. There's still a bed frame here. Oh, that's probably because it's built right into the wall. The bed frame and the night tables and the nightstands are built right into the wall. That's pretty cool. Another empty bedroom, but look at these curtains. Corner window. Really like that. That's pretty typical for a 50s build. But you see these doorknobs with the old skeleton keyholes?
Yeah, but they're filled in.
This one's not.
What? Oh no, sorry.
No worries. This one
There was one over there.
is not either.
I think the first one I looked at was filled in, so I didn't even bother looking at these. So that they were still there.
Yeah. Is there a second floor to this place?
No.
No?
I haven't seen any stairs going on.
I haven't seen any going up yet either. Is this only a single floor?
There is a basement.
There is a basement? Where are the stairs?
Kitchen.
Kitchen?
You find it?
Yep. Yep, right on to the left there.
Alright, Terry. We are going down.
Let's do it.
Ethan is still up, so we're the first to go down.
Yeah, it stinks bad. Nowhere near as hot down here though, that's a good thing.
I just walked through the spider web.
Uh-huh. Oh, I can feel them all over me. Oh, look at this. Oh, spider webs in the face. Perfect.
Why is this got an arrow here? Oh my god, it's freaking big down here. Another kitchen, guys?
That light fixture, pretty cool. There's another kitchen down here?
Dude, this place goes on and on.
And look at this on the wall.
Yeah. But dude, this goes on. It's like the longest basement.
Oh, whoa. Okay, yep, there is a second kitchen.
Alright, we're gonna come there. After we're gonna take down this with a long court. Oh my god. Look at that, guys.
What'd you find?
Oh. Here, you're gonna like it. There's an old fridge back here.
Oh, nice.
This is cool right here. I've seen this. The camera didn't pick it up right away, but hold handle at the bottom.
Oh, look at how old this is.
Dude, this is awesome. That's
Look
like,
at this.
what year is this from? Does it say? This has gotta be early 50s, maybe?
Oh, yeah, this is old. International Harvester Company, Chicago, Illinois. Doesn't have a year on it.
Got baking soda in there for it to not be stinky. So,
I wonder what year this is. It's definitely, my guess would be early 50s.
yeah.
Like, I mean, even look at the design on the handle.
Yeah, the handle just shows it's old. Wow. This would be
So
cool to
cool.
own, something like this.
Yes, I would love it.
Very collectible to a lot of people. And a lot of people are bringing this style back. So, you know.
The curtains all on the windows in here. That fridge is awesome. That's wicked. Oh, that doesn't want to open.
What's in there?
I don't know.
Oh, you see
Spider webs.
You can see from the other side though.
Yeah.
Let's just open this way.
Oh, this...
Yo.
Yeah.
Go look down there. The old fridge.
Oh, okay.
Oh, dude, it's nice.
You said this is built in 51?
Yeah.
That fridge is probably original or shortly after.
Oh man, I'll have to check that out.
Oh, even these. Look at this. The handles on the
I
cupboard.
was just gonna go over there and yeah, that's very retro.
Yeah, very vintage.
Yeah. Up there.
This is talking about.
Wow.
Oh, the handles on the.
Yeah.
This room.
This is a little bathroom.
Guys, look at this. Check marks on the
Old
roof.
sink.
Look at that wallpaper. That's cool. A little retro flower rack.
This is awesome.
That kind of frosted window there.
Look at this wallpaper.
Oh, interesting.
Funky. Someone's doing some digging or something in the ground here.
Light fixtures.
That's weird.
The floor is dug out.
Yeah.
They're digging for treasure.
Looks like it.
It goes over.
This reminds me of a furniture in the store. It does not look like a bathroom door at all.
Basement's huge.
It's massive.
It doesn't end. That goes outside.
Oh, another room here. Looks like a storage area.
Whoa, look at this bathroom. Absolutely awesome.
Which one?
This one here.
Oh, whoa.
It's so tiny, but it's cool. And if you get a big, what is up, you guys?
I'll check that out after. What is this? Look at this. Okay, I've seen that as like a mail slot before, but never inside. That's wood. It's like a mail slot for a room inside of the house. That side was pretty tight to open. Doesn't want to close, so I'm going to leave it open. Old retro curtains. Still some shelves left on the walls here. These curtains are so old. Yeah. This place. There's some history in here. I love it. So where was that bathroom? It was over here. Oh, look at this wallpaper. Jeez. Okay, so, oh, this is a door we couldn't open.
Mm.
That fridge is cool.
It's so cool.
I think that's the one with the manual upstairs.
Oh,
The original manual. So it is from 51.
so that fridge is from 1951.
It's 69 years old.
And look at how good a shape it's in.
Yeah, literally, like it's immaculate. It looks brand new almost. I mean,
Yeah.
aside from, you know, obvious wear, but like the flower handle,
Yeah, that's so wild.
right?
So the manual for this is upstairs.
Original manual.
1951 fridge.
Nice.
Good pictures.
It's a slot full of spider webs.
Pictures will roll down.
Oh, look at the thermal set.
Shoot.
It's old. place has some historical gems in it. Pretty freaking cool. Gonna end this one off back in the main room with all this wood paneling. Such a cool, neat, historic little house. Big thank you to Ethan and Carlo for this Explorer. This was Ethan's find. Make sure to go follow both of them if you aren't already. All their links are going to be down in the description. Let me know what you guys think of this one. It was pretty damn interesting. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll see you all in the next adventure.